Hi, I'm Miriam.
I'm Fred. We've purchased 2 mattresses from Original before. The whole sales experience was very unstressful. There was no pressure. You know, we all know that the mainline mattress salesmen, they can be pushy, but this sales experience was wonderful. And we found a product that really we liked and we kept for a long time.
First, we bought the queen size, and then we bought a house, and then the house had a bigger room, bigger bedroom. We decided to buy a king size bed and a king size bed frame. And it was just such an amazing experience of going back. We went back in. It was the same guy. He was like, yeah, we remember you. And then he pulled up our records and he was like, well, I know exactly what you guys liked before. We tried it out again. We're like, yep, this is perfect. This is the exact same thing that we are used to and we like. We just want it to be bigger. He was so smooth and so good about it. We were in and out.
The last one that we had was 6 years old and it was almost brand new. It actually is at my mother's house in her guest room now. So it's still being used and it will still be used for a long time.
His mom had a mattress for 15 years before this one?
Long time.
And then we gave her the mattress, right? And she was like, oh my God, I've never slept this good before. And I was like, well, here you go. You're welcome. And now she's very happy. So
yeah,
very happy for her.